This is an invitation to my Ludicrous speed modeling workshop on November 20th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This was previously publicized as Hyperspeed Workshop, though it turns out that hyperspeed's not quite fast enough for what's going on as of late. The intent of this workshop is to provide you with the tools and understanding to enable you to create models such as this, which used to take me weeks or months to create in an hour or two, completely documented, so that there are actually descriptions of all of the pieces in the model itself, as opposed to spending weeks and months figuring out how to do all of this documentation. It only takes a short period of time with some of the AI tools that I've developed. So during the workshop, we'll actually use those tools and we'll build some models, probably based upon the interests of the participants. And at the end of the workshop itself, you get access to the repository that I've been developing, which contains all of the models that I've developed so far, along with all of the custom Gemini gems that I'm using to develop stories and reviews of books and documents and videos and things. And it should be awesome. So there's a link in the notes section of the video. The workshop is $25, and I'm processing them manually. So if you donate, it may take me up to 24 hours to respond, though. And 1 day and 1 hour before the actual workshop session, I will send you the Zoom link to the workshop. So look forward to seeing you there. Bye.